Let me do a quick video before the sun goes down because it's getting darker and darker earlier. This week I want to talk again about books that I learned stuff from, which maybe in hindsight I should have called a Marcel-Jan's book club. And this week the book is 7 Databases in 7 Weeks by Luc Perkins. And it's about databases, of course, but completely different databases in their own right. And this is what I liked about it. It's telling you a lot about a lot of databases, but in a relatively short time. You can learn in some books, some tech books that go very deep and are very thick, and you learn everything you want to know if you want to go all the way. But sometimes you don't want to go all the way. You just want to know, you want to be guided in a new field of, for example, like this field of non-relational databases. And this is very nice to get started. So in this book, 7 databases are discussed. One is relational, by the way. The other are non-relational databases. And the book discusses what they're good at, what you maybe should not use them for, some basic commands, how you talk to them, SQL, non-SQL, other things in SQL. And then it shows you a case where they really shine. And that's a lot of fun. So the databases discussed are Postgres, a relational database. We have MongoDB, a document store. Redis, a key value store. We have HBase, a wide column store, I think it's officially called. We have DynamoDB. We discussed DynamoDB before. We have CouchDB and Neo4j. And I think I got them all now. And I really liked Neo4j, by the way. I didn't know a lot about graph databases, and I really learned a lot from this book about that and decided to do some experimenting with that. And it was a lot of fun. I made a video about this a while back. You have to search a long way in the history of my YouTube videos, by the way. But so really useful to learn a lot of stuff in a short time. Maybe not in 7 weeks, maybe not in 8, or maybe you want to take 14 weeks, who cares? Or maybe you just pick out the things you like. But this is very nice. I'm not sure if I can do a video next week already. It's going to be a little bit busy. 2 courses I'm going to teach. There's the 15-year anniversary of our company, the IKW Intelligence. We gonna celebrate with a little trip of in a long weekend, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. And well, it's still, I have more material. Definitely, I have more books to discuss, so I will come back. See you next time. The sun is really going down now, so you have to go.